Okay students, now the third equation, that is v square minus u square plus 2as, can be derived by the same graphical method in such a way that again we have to find out the distance traveled by the body in a xy plane, and that distance traveled by the body in a xy plane, again find out the area enclosed by the graph. So as distance, it is equal to the area enclosed by the graph CE, So in that way we have to find out the area enclosed by the graph by taking the two diagrams collectively. When these two diagrams, when we join together, so it is the shape of the trapezium. Now we have to find out the area of the trapezium, that is OACEO. And area of the trapezium, we know that according to the formula, that is the sum of the two sides divided by 2. So sum of the sides, that is side AC plus OE, that is AC plus OE divided by 2 and multiplied by the height. And height is in between these two parallel sides, that is equal to OA. So distance is OA. Now put the values. AC, that is from this to this, equal to V, it is V, plus OE means U, it is equal to U, divided by 2 and multiplied by the height. And height is T is equal to 0 to T is equal to T. Difference between these, T minus 0, that is equal to T. So this is the height in between them, T. Now to solve the next part of this equation, so we have to multiply it by the opposite component of the V plus U, that is V minus U, in the numerator and denominator. Now multiplied by V minus U in numerator and denominator. We have, when we multiplied here in numerator and denominator, so distance will be equal to S equal to V plus U, and the next component is V minus U divided by 2, and then multiplied in the denominator V minus U, and then multiplied by the time factor. Now this is the algebraic expression, V minus U, V plus U, that is equal to V square minus U square, and divide by 2 into V minus U into T, now multiplied by T. Again we have to use the first equation of motion. Now from first equation of motion, we know that V equal to U plus AT. Therefore, V minus U equal to AT. So this V minus U term is replaced by this AT. So we will get the next term as equal to V square minus U square upon 2 into V minus U means V, that is AT. So we can write here 2AT into T. So this T is cancelled out and the T factor is cancelled out to each other. Then the next term can be find out by the simplification of the remaining equations, that is S equal to V square minus U square upon 2A. Now cross multiply, we will get 2A into S, that is 2AS equal to V square minus U square, and the equation can be written as, that is V square minus U square equal to 2AS. So this is the third equation of motion. Now from this method, from this graphically method we can solve all the three equations of motion like this, and this is, I hope that you have to understand the third part of the equation and by this graphical method. Okay, and in the next part we have to do the next method and solve these three equations by the integration method. Okay, so we will see in the next video. Thank you.